Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Brave browser connection problems. So to start, open Brave browser. Now what we need to do is to click the three lines at the top right. Then go to Help and you can go to About Brave. And from here, check for updates. So ensure Brave and your operating system are up to date. So as you can see, mine is up to date. So if you need to update yours, just do that and see if that fixed the problem. Another method you can do is again click the three lines at the top, then go to settings. You can also go to the left side and go to About Brave, and you can also check if you need to update the browser in here. Next is to restart your computer. So a simple reboot can resolve many issues. So open Start menu, click the power button and click Shutdown or Restart, and open Brave browser again and see if that fixed the issue. Next is to clear cache. So open Brave browser, go to the three lines at the top right, go down and tap on Delete Browsing Data, choose the time frame at the top, then make sure you check cookies and other site data, and cache images and files. So corrupted cache files can cause problems, so clear the cache from the browser settings. Once done, click Delete from this device. So reload the page and see if that solves the problem. Next, you can also check your internet connection. So go down to the bottom and click the Wi-Fi icon and see if your internet is working properly. You can also turn it off for about 10 to 30 seconds and turn it back on, then try again. Next is to disable extensions. So sometimes a faulty extension can cause pages not to load properly. So disable extensions one by one to find the culprit. So click the extension icon at the top. Then from here, you can see your extensions and disable it. So just click the three lines and you can click remove from Brave. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.